spiele Sluga. I believe that the information that I'm about to share with you can change your situation. But before we get into how it is that you can make money, how you can make money work for you, and how we can get you to financial freedom that you deserve, I just want to give you a little background on myself. I was just a broke college student looking for something different. What may have worked 10, 20, 30 years ago isn't working in today's economy. Times have changed. People are continuously getting laid off. Students are graduating college with tons of student loan debt and no income to make up for it. I didn't want to be a statistic, and I knew if I wanted to get something different, I had to be the one to do something different. So about 2 years of searching for the right opportunity. Well, with this program, I'm glad to say that I'm working for myself, but not by myself. Forex Entourage is a platform based off of 3 simple concepts: copy, paste, and profit. How's it done? Well, let's start with copy. Forex Entourage gives you a hands-free tool to make money. You can plug in your money into what we call the InstaTrader Pro, where professional traders take our signals and plug them into your account for you. They execute the trades, they close the trades, so all you have to do is sit back and watch your money grow hands-free. Believe it or not, banks actually take your money that you have in a savings account and trade it in the foreign exchange market. Out of the percentage that they grow all year, they give you a very, very small percentage and they keep the rest. So why not put your money in an account where you can see growth over time? Next is paste. Forex Entourage has an app where they send out signals, almost 1 to 3 signals a day, where you just copy and paste those signals into your broker and watch your money grow. The signals have been averaging about 1,000 pips a month. Breaking that down, if you had a $200 account trading a 2-cent lot size, you would make an extra $200 a month trading. If you had a $500 account trading on a 5-cent lot size, that would be an extra $500 a month following our signals. If you had a $1,000 account and you were trading 10-cent lot size, that would be an extra $1,000 a month just copying and pasting our signals. Now this next part is probably why most of you are here. To finally have your money working in your favor. Now, as we all know, the stock market and foreign exchange market are very lucrative income streams. Our traders have 20 plus years of combined experience all at our disposal. Here's how easy it is. The market experts provide us with trade alerts. Well, how does this work? With each trade alert sent to you with the currency pair that we're going to trade and all the market analysis done for you. They will show you what it is you're trading, why you're trading it, and how to trade it. All you have to do is copy, paste, and profit. Now, not only do the market experts provide us with trade alerts, but they provide us with all the calls, videos, and education you need to learn to be able to trade on your own. I've yet to find a person who said no to this, because we're teaching you how to put your money to work for you. Think of it like this. In school, you spend hours upon hours studying for a test, to take the test in hopes that you pass. Well, with this company, you gain the knowledge, and upon test date, the teacher approaches you and hands you all the answers. Most people see this as an amazing opportunity. I see it more as a financial IQ test. We show you the numbers, we give you the facts, and then it's up to you to decide whether you're in or you're out. If you're not yet convinced, then let's go ahead and show you some numbers. In our very transparent back office, you can review all of our previous trades, all of the wins and losses. In the past 3 months, we caught over 3,000 pips. On a $1,000 account, trading only a 10-cent lot size, that's an extra $3,000 in a span of 3 months in your pocket. Which brings us to our next part. How much would it cost you to be a part of an opportunity like this? To be completely honest, there are tons of opportunities out there that cost anywhere from $500 to thousands of dollars. And they don't even provide the value that we do. So here's the crazy part. Forex Entourage subscription allows you to get access to our Forex First Pack for only about $100 a month. If you're looking to do the hands-free option, it's about $175 a month. That's right, you get access to everything this company offers for a small price of $175 a month. Now I know what you're thinking, it just can't get any better. Well, I'm here to tell you that it actually does. completely optional, and if it's not for you, just come in as a customer and let your money work for you. And have fun. You see, the person that sent you here, what they've decided to do is share the vision and concept with the world. Naturally, when someone sees value in a product or service, they're going to go out and share it with the world through word of mouth advertising. Our founders solve one problem by helping others leverage their current income. Additionally, they saw a way for others to have more, do more, and be able to help others in the process. Very few people have a financial plan, but our founders had a vision to bring Forex from banks to Main Street and empower people to do what most say just isn't possible. I want you to ask yourself, if I were to continue doing what I'm doing now 5 years from now, what would my life be like? You see, this is your chance to have a better life without having to quit your job. To simply use a service that helps other people make money should be no problem to share with others. You can become a representative of Forex Entourage and have the exclusive rights to share the service. So you see, our compensation plan is based off of volume. Sales volume. So each member that you enroll is worth 120 volume on the highest pack. And here's the cool part. If you bring in 2 customers at the same pack as you or higher, your membership is free. What that means that every single month you get access to all the products and services without getting anything charged to your card. Your organization is actually generating more sales volume than it costs you to be in business. The company actually compensates you. So if you bring in 15 team members on the highest package with a volume of 1,800 sales volume, you actually get compensated between $500 to $800 every single month. And as your organization continues to grow, you're going to hit more and more ranks, gaining more money residually. You have the 1,000 Club, which is $1,000 a month on average. You have the 2,000 Club, which is $2,000 a month on average, all the way up to $45,000 a month residually. Forex Entourage pays out in shares, so what that means is they keep 20% of profits and what they need to run their business, and they pay out the other 80% to distributors. That brings us to our one-time bonus. When you bring a member in, they actually give you a one-time bonus as a thank you for referring them to the service. And because this is a global concept, it has the potential to spread around the world and create potential income. That's our program. Now trust me, you can try and find something else, but you won't find anything else like our program. I mean, to have a product that generates people income without having to do any recruiting, that's hands down the best deal. And the person that invited you to this video, well, they're definitely not going to be stopping with just you. They're going to continue to share the value with thousands just like you. So here's the thing, if you don't lock in your spot today and the next person does, well, just because you waited, you could be losing out on the opportunity to have that person placed below you in your sales volume. Procrastination is the assassin of opportunity. So if you feel like this could be for you, even just a little bit, then get back to the person that invited you here and find out how you can get locked in immediately. You could be at the right place at the right time, but if you don't take advantage of the moment, it's like that moment never even existed. So here's the question, and yes, it may seem like a very direct question, just yes, it's a question out of love. All we're really looking for here today is a yes or a no. No ifs, ands, buts, or maybes, because, well, none of those really matter. We're only going to show you this information once, and after the first time, well, we'll move on. So here it is, the question we've all been waiting for. Do you see an opportunity for yourself? Yes? Well, then welcome to the team. Get back to the person that sent you here so we can get you plugged into our Facebook chats and groups where you'll be showered with love and welcomed. Ask any questions and get plugged into all of our updates, all for your benefit. Remember, the work you put in is the work you get out. So let's get this going. Let's position you in an area to have success in your life, and I'll see you at the top and at the beaches of the world.